Number 3. Easy football by number 16. Football. By the 2. Para paso sa akin mo. Sabi mo sa dribble.
Matanda na ako para
Logro. Oh, yung IT po, ang labanan. Oo, magandang labanan to. Bigyan na. 3 points, wow! Apang buwan na ba? Paano ba ito? Oh, kasi nagulong Pastol. Tapos, bunso. Pasok ang kanyang tira. Spider-Man, bawal boy. Lima na lang ang laban. 3 minuto ang nakatira. Tropa Amiga o Tropa Amiga.
Number.
Tropa. Onti ka lang, anin na lang. Apat na lang pala. Good! Wow! 3-point shot! And 8 seconds. All 50. Number 12. Set up the play. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Wow, ang ganda na ng pass yun. Pass record. Number 1. Harap kay number 21. Number 29. Ramos. Binalik kay The Spider-Man. To number 1, order please. Number 1, ball shot. Rebound. Number 11 up. Another one basket by number 11. Foul. Ball shot by number 11 and Lauren. 67-70. Number 1. Number 1 set up the play. Pass to Ramos, number 29. Number 11, attack. Easy 2 balls by number 11. Pass to number 2, number 1. Easy 2 balls. Ganda na pasa. Dito na. Number 1. Outside jumper. Easy 2 balls by number 1. Number 12, Spidey. Number 11, easy 2 balls. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Tuwa po ang alaman ng Kyrie. 83-70. Trawa. Haras by number 15. Spidey to the knee, short. Oy, balik. Offensive rebound by number 1. Easy 2 points. For 23, 19 seconds. Oops! 3-point shot. 88, 85.